Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with our 2021 Rockwood 1640 ESP. But for the winter storage, we're going to go ahead and seal up the roof vent. You can see along the sealant line there's a lot of cracking which can let water in and would cause a lot of roof rot over time. To remove the old sealant, we're going to be using a combination of two putty knives. This one here is a lot thinner and it's a little bit more flexible to get under the lip of the sealant. This one here will be used in places where this one won't be able to reach. After we remove the old sealant, we're going to be reapplying the Dicor self-leveling lap sealant using a standard caulking gun. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and start the removal process. You want to pick a nice hot day for doing this so that the sealant is pliable when removing it. Okay, now that we got pretty much all of the major sealant areas, there's going to be a slight residual. In our case, we're not really going to worry about that as we're just going to reapply right over that same area. If you do want to fully clean it, I recommend a brush like this and some Goo Gone spray. You'll spray the area and rub it, agitate the sealant. It'll kind of start loosening up and you'll be able to wipe it off. You want to get it pretty much clean as possible on the plastic, and then pretty much now we're ready to go ahead and do the sealant. With our caulking tube, we're going to cut a rather large tip. That way we're able to apply even nice thick bead around the perimeter of the vent. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now we use the self-leveling Dicor for the reason that when you apply it here, it'll do a nice subtle feature and cover the gap, plus everywhere that the water may intrude. On the corners, you want to do a little extra and bring it up onto the plastic. After you apply, you just want to make sure you got the seam all the way around. Don't be afraid to reapply in little areas such as the corners. It'll all kind of level down. All right, we just applied the sealant to the perimeter of the vent. We went ahead and added another rib here against the plastic. You can already see that it's starting to level out very nicely. Once again, the product here is the Dicor self-leveling lap sealant. Comes in a variety of colors at your local RV parts store. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Michael with J&M RV Rentals. Thank you for watching.